Sanya saan ako pag ako na? Narinig ko ka?
Hindi, narinig ko din. Narinig ko lang ako sa border ka.
Alright, you may now sit down, everyone. Thank you so much. Ready na to begin? Ready?
Isang gabing puno ng kaba at excitement. Magandang gabi, CMU community. Ako po si Kylie Nicole Mariano ng CMU iConnect. Live po tayo ngayon dito sa CMU Grounds kung saan ating mapupukhayan ang bagong nakakaling Mr. and Miss Ambassador and Ambassadress of Goodwill 2025. At kung makikita niyo po sa aking likuran, punong-puno ang CMU Grounds ng mga supporters ng ating canopy. At kung makikita niyo rin po, ay may hawak na mga logo na iba't ibang kulay ang mga supporters natin at mga clappers na mamaya mas magpapaingay pa ng grounds natin ngayong gabi. Pero bago ang lahat, atin munang tunghayan at pakinggan ang welcome remarks ng Chair ng Mr. and Miss Ambassador and Ambassadress of Goodwill 2025 na si Professor Genta.
Our University President, Dr. T.B. De Leon, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Willem D.C. Enrique, our Vice President for Administration and Finance, Dr. Porfirio Catolico Jr., Vice President for Research and Development and External Affairs, Dr. Salome Aguinaldo, Student Affairs Office Director, Dr. Ruby Ana Solidario, Our OIC University Secretary and overall chair of CMU's 31st founding anniversary, Professor Jefferson Cruz. To our administrators, deans, program chairs, teaching and non-teaching personnel, our esteemed judges, distinguished guests, and of course, our beloved students. A pleasant evening to all of you. It is with great honor and privilege that we gather here tonight to celebrate the embodiment of grace, charisma, and diplomacy in our deserving Mr. and Miss CMU Ambassador and Ambassadress of Goodwill 2025 candidates for the second time. Tonight, we celebrate not only the beauty and charm of our contestants, but also their commitment to serving their purpose as ambassadors and ambassadresses of goodwill, and that is to promote cooperation, understanding, peace, harmony, and mutual respect through various activities. Our purpose here tonight is to crown that person who embodies and about making it tonight will use their voices to advocate for important endeavors, teach and inspire others to contribute to positive change, and represent the university with dignity and compassion. May this evening be filled with inspiration, joy, and memorable moments as we crown a deserving ambassador and ambassadress who will carry the torch of goodwill with pride and honor. So let the pageant begin, and may the best ambassador and ambassadress of goodwill shine brightly tonight. Good evening and thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Professor Jenny Sitan, for your heartwarming message for our participants tonight and for the candidates.
And of course, to deliver his inspirational message, may we request you in front, our Congressman and Labon City Red Cross Chapter Chairman, Congressman Ricky Sandoval.
To our University President, Dr. Glenn De Leon, our VP for Academic Affairs, Dr. William Enrique, Vice President for Administration and Finance, Dr. Porfirio Catolico Jr., our Vice President for Research Development and External Affairs, Dr. Salome Aguinaldo, the Student Affairs Office Director, Dr. Ruby Ana Saludario, our OIC University Secretary and overall Chair, CMU's 31st founding anniversary, Professor Jefferson Cruz, to our administrators, deans, program chairs, teaching and non-teaching personnel, esteemed judges, distinguished guests, our beloved students. Sa magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. It is an absolute honor to stand before you today as we advocacy and excellence through the Mr. and Miss Ambassador and Ambassadress. This event is not just about beauty, poise, or charisma. It is about finding individuals who embody the values of our university and our beloved city. Malabon is a place of rich history, a strong culture, and a community that thrives on resilience and unity. As ambassadors and ambassadresses, you are not only representing yourself, but also the hopes and aspirations of the people who believe in the power of education and leadership to transform lives. Our candidates, you have already won by stepping forward with courage and determination. This journey is more than just a competition. It is a platform to inspire, to serve, to make a difference, whether through your advocacies, your voice, or your actions. Always remember that true ambassadors lead with integrity, kindness, and genuine hearts for others. As we witness the crowning of our new Mr. and Miss Ambassador and Ambassadress tonight, let us celebrate not only their achievements, but also the bright future that will help shape for the City of Malabon University. And may you wear your titles with pride and responsibility. Let us continue to shine, not just for ourselves, but for the people we serve. Mabuhay ang Malabon City, City of Malabon University. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
I request everyone to stand up for a little photo of everyone with Frog 80. For you po tayo. Everyone, please stand up para makita po tayo sa photos. Everyone, kindly stand up. Lahat po na nasa likod, please. Tayo po tayong lahat. Everyone, di po kayo makikita. Ayan.
Finger heart for everyone.
Finger heart po. Thank you so much, everyone. Alright, now may request here in front our beloved University President for his another inspirational message, Dr. Glenn Livy De Leon. Give him a round of applause, everyone.
Good evening to all of you. Of course, no, to our Congressman Ricky Sandoval, ang Lodi ng Malabon. For the information of everybody po, no? Naging scholar po ako ni Kong Ricky 27 years ago. So, ever since, nandito na po si Kong Ricky tumutulong sa atin, no? Yung building po dyan sa likod, siya po yung nagpagawa niyan. Courtesy po ng aking mahal na Congressman. Kong, thank you very much po. Kung di dahil sa inyo, marami rin po kayo natulungan, no, na mga taga City of Malabon University. As the City of Malabon University gears up for its 31st founding anniversary celebration, we extend our warmest greetings and best wishes to each of the candidates in the Mr. and Miss Ambassador of Goodwill 2025. This year's event holds special significance as we commemorate 3 decades of academic excellence, community engagement, and unwavering commitment to nurturing future leaders. Your participation embodies the spirit of this milestone, representing the vibrant energy and potential of our university. The Mr. and Miss Ambassador of Goodwill competition is more than just a pageant. It's a platform to showcase your talents, intellect, and commitment to service. It's an opportunity to inspire your fellow students and contribute positively to our university community and beyond. We encourage you to embrace this experience with enthusiasm and grace, representing not only yourselves, but also the values and ideals of City of Malabon University. The selection process will undoubtedly challenge our judges, but we trust that you will rise to the occasion, demonstrating the resilience, leadership, and compassion that define the true ambassador. Remember The true measure of success lies not just in winning, but in the personal growth, friendships, and positive impact you make throughout this journey. We wish you all the best in your competition. May your experience be filled with memorable moments and lasting friendships. We eagerly anticipate witnessing your contribution to our university continued success. Again, happy anniversary, 31st anniversary to the City of Malabon University.
Intelligence and development. A journey of dreams, a stage of transformation and greatness of all time. I'm going, hey, I'm going, hey. Who will be the next CMU Ambassador and Ambassadress Goodwill 2025?
Our candidates for their regional attire.
Umakas na tayo, agasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa tahimik at mayapang mundo. Tumugulo ng hanging amihan at huni ng ikon. Tumudulo at tinatawag na tayo ng umakat na tayo, alay po sa maraming tao. Malayat ng ako, sa maligay malabo pinto. Nununiyok ng aming kapagat at ampas ng halo. At iayap na tayo ng karagat. Tayo ng kalikasan. Tumakas na tayo, pagkasanan natin ng mundo. Magtago pa palayo sa sahig at kayasan na bulong ang hangin, amihan at huni ng hibo. Dulong at tinatawag na tumakas na tayo, pagkasanan natin ang mundo. Pagkato pa tayo, sa pilit at payapang mundo. Bulong ang hangin, amihan at huni ng ibo.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again,
Ayan. We're just having a little technical
Yes.
difficulty, pero hindi naman siya rason para hindi matuloy ang pageant na ito, no?
ayos na mga lahat.
Okay ba ba? Okay ba ba? Ano lang yun? Teaser lang. Tititingnan lang namin ang energy ninyo, no?
Oh, pero parang nako, pahingi naman ng isang malakas na sikon!
Ano na? CMU Community!
Grabe! Wala na bang energy?
Nagugutom na sila.
Naku, I think we have to do a roll call ulit. Para malaman kung sino ba ang mga colleges natin ang alive na alive pa para suportahan ang kanilang mga kandidata.
Yes. As your support for your preferred candidate, kailangan marinig yung hiyawan nyo, no? Baka mamaya panghinaan na
Pero,
doon.
Art, I think they are ready na.
Ready na?
Yes.
O, mamaya na tayo mag-roll call. Let's go.
Okay. Once
Once
again,
again,
let us all welcome our candidates in their regional attire.
Tayo ng kalikasan.
Naramdaman mo ba? Isip ng hangin ay kakaiba. Dati nahihirap, pinatamis, ngayon'y taas noong. Feel ba pansin?
Cultural life. His attire features brown, red, and white colors, representing the festive spirit of the event, and is adorned with elements that reflect the rural, hardworking lifestyle of the Filipino people.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. John Patrick Okolgay, 19 years old, representing the College of Criminal Justice Education.
This attire is a symbol of endurance, labor, and strength in Filipino agricultural traditions. Her attire is also embellished with elements that showcase the hardworking and rural lifestyle of the Filipino people in their days. Again, candidate number 1.
representing the College of Excellency, CBE.
Once again, candidate number 2 for you guys.
Candidate number 2. It is ever present and significant the turning points in Tiffany's life, such as birth, marriage, and death. It is a medium which sanctifies these rites, enveloping them in the lens of its fabric like a benediction, and a culture which didn't have a form of writing that Dinala served as both literary art. The Tiffany's express everything in the art in the Dinala, their dreams, beliefs, myths, and even their religion.
Pagbaba ng hagdan, okay na ako doon. Okay na ako doon. Gumalaw na ko doon.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Paano to? Lobat na konti. Kunin yung sabak ma. Okay lang ako.
Light up the universe with passion and glory, and fall in love with elegance and style with this Savor Pajamas. This Muslim original attire is a vibrant expression of cultural and religious diversity, reflecting the vast geographical spread of Islam, while modesty is a unifying principle manifested in garments like hijab and abaya. Regional styles vary dramatically from the flowing throws of the Arabian Peninsula to the colorful shawl-worn kameez of South Asia, and the distinct patterns of West African Bulgars clothing is shaped by local climate, traditions, and historical influences. These garments serve not only as practical wear, but also as powerful symbols of cultural identity.
Assalamualaikum Jamia. I am American Professor Sassan, playing from the College of Excellency, College of Teacher Education.
Let us welcome candidate number 3.
Her gown is crafted from rich, silver gold fabric, exuding luxury and grace. The fabric's rich and quality wood symbolizes wealth, purity, and royalty. While its soft texture adds a touch of refinement, the gown is intricately embellished with a variety of colorful rhinestones, each carefully placed to add brilliance and shine, reflecting the diverse beauty and regality of her heritage. This stunning ensemble captures both sophistication and regal charm, making it a true masterpiece of fashion.
the best CMU! Joel Vizoriano, 19, isang periodista mula sa College of Art and Sciences!
Once again, that's candidate number 4.
More than mere garments, the cafe, beauties and topics, and rooted on living legacies, woven with skill and imbued with cultural significance, these skirts are not just clothing, they are stories. Each thread tells a generation of women, their strength, resilience, and artistry. The intricate patterns passed down through time, whisper tales of tradition and community. These aren't simply fabrics. They are symbols of identity or goodbye, representing the culture and spirit of the grown women who crafted the morning. They are a testament to the power of heritage woven into every fiber.
Good evening, CMU! I am Micaela C. Anasco from the College of Arts and Sciences!
And now, candidate number 5.
Good evening, everyone! My name is Peter Calding Payas, 19, proudly representing the world where technology dominates, College of Computer Studies!
Once again, candidate number 5.
And now, let's candidate number 5. Candidate number 5's traditional attire is a simply traditional attire. Is a vibrant and culturally rich outfit worn by the Tripoli people. An indigenous group from the southern Philippines, where the province of Southern Bangko and Supan Kudarat.
Good evening. My name is Catherine Jalang Gordo, 21, representing the
ethnic traditional attire of the Ami people of Kalibo, a clan proudly worn during the Atiatian festival in the Western Visayas region, and adorned with intricate beadwork, bold tribal patterns, and striking feathers. It reflects the rich cultural heritage and identity of the Ati. The vibrant colors of black, red, and gold symbolize resilience, devotion, and the enduring spirit of their people. Every detail carries the rhythmic energy of the festival, honoring a time-honored tradition that has been passed down through generations. Halabira Viva Señor Santo Niño!
What a blessed evening, everyone! I am Rodrigo Jr. Gonzala, 18 years old, standing before you with pride and confidence, proudly representing the College of Computer Studies!
Let's have candidate number 6.
Canada region is a place where equally amazing people live. Known to be the home of numerous ethnic tribes, the region takes pride of its well-preserved cultures and traditions that have endured the challenges of time by being successfully passed on from generation to generation. Manobo tribe have coexisted in the region, represents the new ethnic attire that our candidate is wearing right now. It mirrors the beautiful indigenous people who have been living harmoniously.
Good day, everyone! From Consulate, Compassionate, and Special Department, this is your Adjing Helena, 21, representing College of Computer Studies! Let's get candidate number 6.
And now, let's welcome candidate number 7.
Candidate number 7 has the modern Baroque features, a sleek black design with intricate gold embellishments, blending tradition with contemporary style. The feathered shoulders symbolize the majestic wings of the beauty eagle, representing strength, pride, and resilience. Gold star accents and a striking cross embroidery add a regal and symbolic touch, making this piece a bold statement of cultural heritage and elegance.
Good evening, everyone! Javris Digagan, 19, from the College of Criminal Justice Education!
Once again, candidate number 7. Candidate number 7.
And let's welcome candidate number 7. The Manobo tribe, who are inhabitants of the island of Mindanao in the Philippines, are a group of people speaking one of the languages that belong to the Manobo language family. Their origins can be traced back to the early mountain peoples who came from the surrounding islands of Southeast Asia. The Manobo are an indigenous group of people who live in the Philippines. They are the largest ethnic group in the country. This exquisite attire embodies the rich cultural heritage and artistry of her region. The flower blouse, made from delicate Kenya-Rusi fabric, is adorned with intricate embroidery, reflecting the meticulous craftsmanship passed down through generations. Paired with a sayor skirt, which flows with a very graceful movement. This ensemble represents the harmony of tradition and modernity. More than just a garment, the Batak Saya is a tribute to the strength, resilience, and beauty of the Philippines. Embracing both our history and our ever-evolving identity, tonight she stands before you as she wears this with pride, dignity, and deep respect from her Visayan roots.
Blessed evening, CMU! I am Lorna Bailey, Chamorros 19, proudly to represent College of Business and Accountancy!
in Sciences.
Let's welcome candidate number 9.
The Cordillera Fire is a vibrant expression of the cultural identity with intricate designs and patterns that symbolize the history, mythology, and traditions.
Good evening, Sirio Malabon University! I am Daniela Valle, 21, from the College of Arts and Sciences!
Number 10.
Candidate number 10 attire aims to evoke a sense of historical pride and cultural identity of Filipino warrior of Laktan.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan, ang Iloquena 21 College of Business and Accountancy!
Once again, candidate number 10.
The central feature of the Dinuguan attire is the veil or headpiece, which symbolizes modesty and seclusion that is complementary with traditional jewelry. These accessories add a touch of elegance and reflect the rich cultural heritage of the community.
inyong tanan. I am Eunice Jelly Andaza, 21, representing the College of Business and Accountancy. Once again, candidate number 10.
Once again, let us all welcome our male candidates for their final look.
Candidates, please look forward on stage.
Now let's have a final look at our female candidates for the original attire.
Let us hear a warm round of applause, everybody!
Louder, everyone, louder!
While we are waiting for our judges to finalize their score sheets,
Later on, we will have our first set of awarding of their minor awards. But before that, chika naman tayo. Kamusta? CMU? Kamusta? Yung mga kandidata nyo, sigawan! Sigawan! Ready for another roll call? Habang tinatawag ka ang
Isipin lang natin ang ating colleges.
Oh. Ayan. So guys, roll call, are you ready? I want to hear sigawan and palakpakan from the College of Computer Studies.
Bagong diba? Ang College of Arts and Sciences. Hindi naman ang mga matitikas
to our first set of the minor awards, which is Mr. and Miss Congeniality. Of course, art to award the sash and certificate from our Mr. and Miss Congeniality. Let us call on stage Mr. Primo Shatan, coordinator of Cultural and Performing Unit. Let us give him a round of applause, everybody, please.
May we also call on stage Ms. Zenny Santos, the Property Management Office Custodian.
Okay.
Thank you, tubig.
And now,
Babak saglit. Nanalo ko nga yung phone ko eh. Hanapin ko muna yung phone. Ayun, nasa likod ni Maris. Nasa likod ng laptop. Bili. Excuse me.
Mr. John Israel!
Number 10, Miss
Kasi ko alam nangyayari. Nai-focus mo lang dyan. Oo, kasi kung magkagami pa ako, gagalaw na ako. Oo nga, pero di ko alam kung mag-wide ako o mag-ano ko. Kasi di ko nakikita. Kasi may ganyan, kung sinabi wide, wala ka nagsasabi.
with a sash, certificate, and picture with frame. Let us call the doctors to have an approved cast program chair. And Miss Iris Hernandez, CMA Health Office Unit Head, and Gerald Gallego, Professor from CBA. Sino kaya ang ating Mr. Photogenic?
Alright! For our Mr. Photogenic candidate number Candidate number 8, Ron John Collins. Congratulations to our Mr. Photogenic.
And now, let's have our Miss Photogenic. Our Miss Photogenic. Candidate number 3,
Congratulations once again to our Mr. and Miss Photogenic. Moving forward.
and our Popular Choice Award for the male category to be awarded by Dr. Nelson Leaga, Program Chair of College of Arts and Sciences, and the Popular Choice Award for female category, Program Chair Professor Madonna Ansunyang of the College of Arts and Sciences. And now, to announce our Popular Choice Award for the male category, our winner is candidate number 8, Ron Joe. Congratulations once again to our Popular Choice Awards for male and female categories. And also congratulations to those candidates who just received their first set of minor awards. Once again, we just have our Mr. and Miss Congeniality, Mr. and Miss Photogenic, and Mr. and Miss Most Popular Choice Award.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, candidates. And now,
for the introduction of the panel of judges, may we call on stage Professor Jeneline C. Tan.
A warm round of applause, everybody, for Professor Jen C. Tan.
Okay, once again, good evening, everyone. It is my honor and privilege to introduce to you the esteemed panel of judges for the Mr. and Miss CMU Ambassador and Ambassadors of Goodwill 2025 pageant. Each member of this distinguished panel brings a wealth of experience, expertise, and discerning judgment to our event tonight. First, we have the Chief Operating Officer of Patricia Food Processing Corporation, Ms. Asuncion M. Ramos. Next, we have the owner of PetLink Vet Hospital and Poultry Beef, Mr. Norbert John Robles. Our third judge is a faculty of De La Salle Araneta University, CVMAS, Dr. Wenceslao C. Ortiz Jr. Our next judge is the owner of Venus Canteen concessionaire at DLSAU, Professor Venus de los Reyes. Next is Miss Ruth Angeles, Miss United Nations Araneta 1994, Araneta University Extension, and an accounting consultant at Maritime Agency and Vargas Industries. We also have the President and CEO of APD Experts Manpower and Consultancy Services Incorporated, and a former Miss College of Business and Accountancy at Araneta Extension, Malabon, Miss Abigail P. De La Raya. And last, but definitely not the least, the Chairman of Barangay Potrero, Honorable Sheryl Velasco. Welcome to our esteemed judges. Thank you for your dedication and invaluable contribution to this momentous occasion.
Thank you so much, Professor Jeneline C. Tan. Now, the spice of this evening, of course, we will have a performance.
We will be having the first intermission for tonight's event. And is she ready? Handa na ba ang ating first performer tonight? Ayun na. There she is. I can see it from here na siya ay handa na ng kanya.
Let us welcome our first performer for this evening.
Our first performer for tonight is Miss Christine May Flores.
At ayan, ating nga pong napanood ang opening dance number ng ating mga candidates kung saan confident silang sumayaw sa ang kanilang regional attire. At syempre, hindi rin nawawala ang pilihan ng ating mga audience kung saan pagkakita pa lang na paglabas pa lang ng mga candidates ay kanya-kanya ng pagmula ng drums at paggamit ng kanilang clapper. At sabay-sabay rin nilang itinaas yung mga banner nila. At syempre, hindi rin mawawala ang awarding ng first na awards natin kung saan nakuha ni Mr. Joel Israel Soriano ang Mr. Congeniality Award. At samantala si Miss Eunice Halingaso naman ng College of Business Accountancy ang nakakuha ng Miss Congeniality Award. At sumunod naman dito ay ang Miss Photogenic na nakuha ni Miss Jean Merlin Paloma ng College of Teacher Education. At ang ating Mr. Photogenic naman ay si Mr. Rohan Joe Toletin ng College of Business and Accountancy. At syempre, ang most popular choice award na nakuha ng sa lalaki na si Mr. Rohan Joe Toletin at sa babae naman po ay si Miss Eunice Halingaso ng College of Business Accountancy. At kung makikita niyo po sa aking likuran ay merong nag-i-intermission number.
Thank you so much to that wonderful voice, Miss Christine. Now, let us welcome another performer for tonight, or performers rather. Let us give a round of applause for our CMU dancers.
Señoras y señores, con la mano aquí Catalina, que le tengo fría. Con la mano aquí Catalina, que yo le tengo fría. Con la mano aquí Catalina, si no te vaya a morir mi manita. Con la mano aquí Catalina, que yo tengo muy fría. There's nothing to it.
Thank you so much, CMU dancers! Grabe naman na ipapalik-balik sa...
Parang sakit sa katawan. No.
Yun ang mga bagay na hindi natin kaya gawin.
Hindi na para gawin pa.
Huwag na wag nang gagawin.
Chichika na lang tayo.
Yes, grabe. Wala pa tayo sa lahat.
Ng event natin tonight.
Ako ba?
Wala pa.
Ano ka sabi?
Parang ang passport ng at-apan at added years later. Because, of course, sila mga kita kung ano ba ang mga sports affair ng ating candidates. And we will award them also with a second set of minor awards. Sino nga ba sa tingin natin ang mananalo ng Best in Talent for Male and Female, Best in Regional Attire for Male and Female, Best in Sports Attire for Male and Female, and Sponsored Award. Grabe kanina, neto tayo mga candidates na dumoble ang awards. Siguro tingnan natin mamaya kung yung pang dumoble ang awards ay itriple ang mga awards na makukuha nila for later.
Yes.
Okay, apat. Tama naman. Kasi happens talaga sa pageants like this.
At doon, Hakot Awards.
Yes. Grabe. And alam ko ba, nahihintay na ating audience kung sino nga ba ang hihirangin na Mr. and Miss CMU Ambassador and Ambassadors of Goodwill this year.
Excited na ba ang lahat para malaman kung sino ang mga kokoronahan ngayong taon? Wala nang energy ang CMU. Dahil yan walang uuwi. Wala na ba ang energy ang CMU community?
Grabe, wala na talaga. Isa-isa na natin sila for colleges para malaman kung sino ba ang may malakas pa na hiyawan at sigawan. Kanina na unang Arts and Sciences.
Tapos na una ang CCS. Sino kaya ngayon?
Well, tingnan natin kung gising pa ba ang mga taga-College of Business and Accountancy. Grabe, kanina
may paganan-ganan pa sila eh.
Inaangat yung spin, yun wala na. Wala na ako nakitang letters.
Moving forward, gising pa ba?
Wait lang, sabi nila isa pa daw.
Isa pa ba?
Isang tawag pa.
Ay, isa pa, okay.
Nasaan ang College
of Business and Accountancy.
Natikla sila, natikla.
Siguro nagplahin na kasi energy coordinator, diba?
Okay naman! Isip ka ba ang College of Arts and Sciences?
May mga nakaturotok pa.
May tumatambling sa gitna.
Sino yung tumatambling sa gitna?
Joke lang pala.
Okay. Ngayon naman, nasaan ang College of Teachers Education? Regina mga taga-CTE. Mula umpisa hanggang ngayon, sobrang energy nila. Regina, cheer si ate. O, parang wala nang bukas yung cheer ni ate. Grabe. Labas na lamunan.
Okay naman. Medyo nakaangat na kasi. Medyo nakaangat na.
Oo, naghihintay na sila yun.
Nasaan ang College of Computer Science?
Ayun. Nila sa susunod na tawagin.
Parang nakaayo kasi kuya nakasalat yun.
Kami naman ang tawagin mo. College naman natin.
Alright.
Siyempre meron ding last. At nakikita ko sila from here na nakataas na yung letters ng kanilang college.
Asan ang letters ng college
sila? Nasaan ang College of Criminal Justice Education?
Ay, tapol. Okay.
Kita nyo.
Ay, nakatapol.
Yes. Energetic ba rin kaya ang family members?
Siyempre, hindi pa kahulog sa family members ang relatives sa
Nasaan ang relatives sa ating candidates?
Yeah. Relatives.
Ayan! Yes!
Before tayo mag-move forward, what if mag-interview naman tayo ng panandalian lang about their pambato. So, pupunta muna ako dito sa mga estudyante ng CMU. Pagtatanong ako, lapit ako, ang yumo ko, siya ang kakausapin ko. Alright, madali lang naman ang question. Diba? Ikaw si Guy Connect. Alright. Sino kaya ang kakausapin ka, Ulo?
Ayan!
Nandiyan ka na. Halika dito. Hindi ka nagkakakita. Okay, sir. Name and college, tapos sino ang kambato mo at bakit? Siyempre, aside from the bias, di ba?
Kenneth Lee from College of Arts and Sciences!
Kaya ang pambato namin, of course, sila Daniela Bade, Joel Israel, and asan ang supporter ni Mika Haran! Nasaan ang supporter ni James Kidum!
Thank you so much!
Taas sa energy ng mga taga-kasa. Nandun ako sa harap.
Asan ka? Ay,
Dito na.
babalik na ako?
Yes!
Babalik na.
I think our candidates are ready to show
Okay. And then,
their sports attire. Pero before we continue, I would like to say for those
pinapanood tayo online, we are airing live from CMU iConnect. Ayan, para sa mga family members natin na wala with us tonight, we are airing live from CMU iConnect. Okay, so now, ladies and gentlemen, CMU, let's have our candidates in their sports attire.
Magic number
「
everybody our candidates also showcased their sports attire on the first day of our University Week, which was on last Monday. So, I think it is time to award our second set of minor awards.
Are you ready, people? For this second set of minor awards, we will have our Mr. and Miss Best in Talent, our Best in Regional Attire, and Best in Sports Attire. For our Best in Talent, may we call on Dr. Enrico Chavez, the Computer Studies Program Chairperson.
And also to award our Best in Talent for the female category, let us call Professor Luisa Tonko from the College of Teachers Education Program Chair. Both winners will receive a sash and certificate.
Alright, nandito na ang results sa aming mga kamay. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Okay, so
for our Best in Talent for the male category, our Mr. Best in Talent 2025, candidate number 9, King James Weekend. Congratulations to our Mr. Best in Talent, candidate number 9, King James. Now, for our female category, our Miss Best in Talent 2025, candidate number 9, Daniela Ponte. Congratulations once again to our Mr. and Miss Best in Talent 2025. Now moving forward to our second minor award.
our second minor award is Best in Regional Attire. Our winners will receive a sash and certificate. To award the Best in Regional Attire, may I call on our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. William Enrique, and Professor Madonna Ansadia. For the female category, let's have Dr. Frances Evelyn Martesha, the Dean of the College of Criminal Justice Education. And now, to award our Best in Regional Attire for the male category, our winner is candidate number 3. Best in Sports Player for both the male and female categories, which our winners will receive a sash and certificate. May I call on stage Miss Rich Eliza C. Fulgencio, CMU Budget Officer, and Mr. Erlani B. Kalayad, our CMU Security Unit Head. Okay.
Alright. For our Best in Sports Attire male category, the winner is